Welcome to week 177 of my renovation on Iris Street. I'm Adam, and this week I finally get the new gym fully set up. After that, I head out to Ireland for work and to visit friends, so let's get cracking. I start the week off by painting these pull-up bar mounts black. They'll need to dry overnight, so I turn my attention next to the rubber gym flooring. Although probably not necessary, I purchased this rubber floor adhesive, so I apply it under each gym mat. This stuff is messy and heavy, but it should nicely secure the rubber mats to the concrete. With the adhesive applied, I can disassemble my lifting rack and move it to its final resting place. This is one of the cheapest lifting racks you can buy on Amazon, but it is one of the best purchases I have ever made. I run every single day and lift 3 times a week, so having a gym at home is a huge time saver. It saves me the drive time to and from a gym, and best of all, I don't have to wait for equipment to become available during busy hours at a gym. This equipment got really dirty during the remodel, so because I'm going through the process of moving it, I give everything a nice wipe down in the process. I'll continue building out my gym over time, but for now, the simple lifting rack, Olympic weight set, and adjustable dumbbells allow me to do everything in my current program. On Thursday, I woke up to one of Colorado's famous spring blizzards. Since I'll be going to Ireland tomorrow, I used my lunch break to finish hanging the new pull-up bar, and due to these short 7'4" ceilings and joists full of mechanical systems in the gym, there aren't many locations suitable for a pull-up bar. Luckily, the spot by the north wall is the perfect location because it will work with the flow of the gym, and it'll allow the lifter's head to go between the floor joists, a necessity in this short room. In the evening, I start shoveling my driveway. This is one of those heavy wet snows that really gives you a workout. Every time I turn around, there's more snow, but I finally succeed in exhuming my sidewalk and driveway. As mentioned before, I run every day, but tonight, as you can see, that's clearly not going to happen. I opt for a walk around my neighborhood instead, so enjoy these shots of snowy Broomfield, Colorado to close out the day. On Friday morning, the sun is back out, and thanks to a great Lyft driver, I'm at DIA to catch a plane to Dublin for work. I'll be in Belfast Monday through Friday, so on this weekend, I'll try to stop by Cork to visit my good friends Charlie and Rachael. Longtime viewers of this channel will know that I went to Ireland almost 2 years ago for their wedding, so it'll be nice to see them again. In Chicago, I have an 8-hour layover, so I spend much of the day walking around the airport before stuffing myself back into a tube to cross the Atlantic. After a nice dinner on the plane, it's lights out for the night. Just like that, it's tomorrow. I got a few hours of mediocre sleep on the plane, and I'm looking forward to stretching out my legs. Guys, we're officially in Ireland. I'm at the Dublin airport. Just got my little rental car. It's a Toyota Yaris 5-speed. I'm gonna get some coffee, gonna get a couple of things for Rachel and Charlie, and head out to Cork. Let's get cracking. Driving in Ireland is always a good time. You drive on the wrong side of the road, sit on the wrong side of the car, shift with your left hand, and I love it. Before long, I'm in Cork, and Charlie and Rachel take me to this nice little restaurant with the most incredible view. Before calling it a night, Charlie and I grab a whiskey at his local down the street. For better or worse, my travels aligned with St. Patrick's Day, and what better way to celebrate than in Ireland? We start this Sunday by heading to the St. Patrick's Day parade in downtown Cork. In the afternoon, we head to the seaside to grab a hike and take in the views, and what incredible views they are. On Monday, I say goodbye to Charlie and Rachel to begin my journey north to Belfast. It's a 4 to 5 hour journey, depending on how many coffees you drink and how many times you need to stop for the restroom thereafter. Fortunately, I know what my limit is with coffee and make it in one piece. I'm staying at a little hotel called the Flint. After unpacking, it's lights out for the night. On Tuesday, I'm finally here in the Belfast Magnite office. Unfortunately, I can't show you our top secret areas, but I can attest that the snack wall is snackalicious and that the coffee is serviceable. In the evening, My coworker and I grab a pint at Kelly's Cellar and take in some great local fiddle music to close out the night. That's a wrap for week 177. Thanks for tuning in, and until next week, do yourself a favor and have a cold pint of Guinness.